Good morning guys. This is Dancing Pillow Mama. It's our second day in Gondowindi, Australia. At aking sister, where are you? Where you now? Natutulog na ata.
No.
Where are you? I can't see you. Dito siya. Ayan.
So, good morning guys.
Yan, tinutur ko siya. So, ngayon naghahanap kami ng information anong mapupuntahan namin.
That's the information.
Yes, so guys, flex ko na lang kayo guys. Maghahanap kami kung saan kami pupunta ngayon. So, yan si Otto. Picture dyan sa
So guys,
kabayo.
ito yung Gunsen.
Baka sasakay pa siya dyan.
The Gondowindi is what's it called? This one is so this is the border of New South Wales and Queensland. So that's why Gunsen, because Gondowindi in Sydney. So that's why guys, and this is it, the horse. That's their very popular horse in Gondowindi. Parating panalo yan noon. Saka ito yung bridge guys. Yan. Yan ang bridge. Yan guys. And this is the Gondowindi area. Yung kutsi namin nandoon. And of course, yan ang horse. And of course, si Amy nandyan. Okay. Flex lang guys. I think this bridge developed 1956. Yeah.
They built that to stop floodwaters
Sorry.
coming into the cities. It makes the river have to come even higher.
So they built like that, so the water can.
Called the flood levee.
Oh, that's very clever.
See, it goes around and it keeps going, follows all the way out through the river.
Oh. So all the way they built like that, so the water cannot come into the town. Oh, you see guys?
Get a better view like here. See that?
Yeah. See guys, kaya nila ay binuild ng ganon kasi para protection sa water na hindi pupunta sa main city. So guys, very clever. Binuild nila ng high-end. Oh. Can you see that guys? Oh. Oh. Wow.
Keep filming because I'm going over the river.
Oh guys, oh. So hindi talaga pupunta ang tubig sa town nila. So ito yung bridge ng
McIntyre River.
McIntyre River, border ng New South Wales in Queensland. Ayun guys. Oh. So guys, we going to Moree. So yun ang destination namin ngayon guys, Moree. Moree is New South Wales. Yeah. So I never been there to Moree, so we're going to Moree Bonsyo. I am right or wrong? Mori Bonso. Bonso.
That's a different town.
Ah, that's a different town. Sorry guys, wrong info for Dancing Pelomama. Shout out dyan sa
The
aking
windy that way, or that way.
ah,
How does that take us back to the windy? Different
see
windy.
guys. Ah. So the road is quite at this point of time.
Bogabilla 6, Maury 121.
121, so that's 3 hours, guys.
Right?
How many hours?
It's 100 kilometres an hour. So what do you think?
3 hours, more than 3 hours.
Right? 100 kilometres an hour, and it's 120.
So less than, it's more than an hour. Yeah. Sorry guys, the mathematics of Dancing Pelomama is not good. So guys, ito yung daan dito. Walang gaano car. Kasi ay dito to sa kabilang kanto. At saka tingnan mo guys, ang aming windscreen ay maruming-marumi na. Dahil dito kami sa countryside ng New South Wales sa kabila na naman. And tingnan nyo guys,
Harvested.
harvested that's no, I don't know, maybe corn or wheat. So guys, ito yung ano nila, ito yung tinatanim nila doon sa ano, malawak na lupa. Ito ay wheat. So yan guys. So guys, ayan guys, yeah. And look guys, nagiging wild sila din. Look. Yan ang ano,
That's what they harvest.
yeah. Pag mag-harvest sila ganon guys. Wheat. What is the wheat? What the wheat does? See guys, kung gaano kalinis ang Australia. Kahit nandito na kami sa very countryside ng Australia, pero ang daan guys ay napakaganda pa rin. Walang lubak-lubak at ano, yung malinis pa rin. So yan lang ang pinagkakaiba ang Australia at ang Pilipinas. So guys, tingnan mo yung cottons, ng mga cottons na nasa road. Ayan ang dami. Ayan. So yan guys, nag-stop over kami ngayon dito. Tingnan mo guys, sa dami, layo na. Yan sila. So nakita nyo guys, ito yung cottons. Oh, look at that. All the cottons. Oh. So guys, iyan ang cotton plantation dito sa Australia guys. Tingnan mo ang laki-laki ng lupain sa cotton plantation. Yeah. See guys, ito yung cotton plantation dito sa Australia. Tingnan mo guys kung gaano kalaki. Oh, 'di ba? Oh. So, ganon kalaki guys dito ang cotton plantation dito sa Australia. Yan guys, oh. 'Di ba? Yan. Very amazing guys. Very amazing cotton plantation dito sa Australia, guys. Ito ang cotton plantation. So ito, guys, tuwang-tuwa kami na nakakita ng cotton. Kaya picture, tuwang-tuwa at hinawakan talaga namin. Pumasok kami sa plantation. Mabuti walang tao or else malilintikan kami. So, flex lang, guys. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa cotton plantation dito sa Australia sa Moree, New South Wales. So tingnan nyo, guys, kung gaano kaganda ang cotton. Ito na, guys, oh. So see you, guys. Yan na, Moree. Yan ang cotton. Yan ang cotton truck, guys. Ito transport na yan papuntang China or wherever. Yan ang cotton. And that's the Moree race truck over there. This one here. Moree race truck there. So yan ang Moree race truck, guys. Mga patakbuhan ng kabayo yan. Si Moree Greyhound. So guys, ito yung town ng Moree. Yan, maliit na town lang din. Yan, guys, oh. Maliit na town lang din.
You gonna get something to eat?
Yes. So we stop over here in town at Moree. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. Yan, may National Bank din. So yan, guys.
What do you want to do for breakfast?
We just have a look.
To drink.
Good morning, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa... Thank you so much. Dito kami ngayon sa Moree. Nag-stop over kami sa town nila. Ngayon ay, ang aking order ay Wake Me Up Juice. Yan. Wake Me Up Juice. Dito kami nag-breakfast, guys. At saka giswat, guys. Very unique ang kanilang ano. Ito yung salt nila, guys, oh. Ang nilalagyan nila yung bote. Oh, tingnan mo, see? Very clever, diba? Tsaka, yun, guys. Oh. Yan. Salt and pepper, lalagay lang nila sa bote. Diba? Nakatipid sila. Tipid. Magaling talaga sila, guys. Maggawa ng para hindi makatipid sila ng pamimili ng lalagyan ng mga salt and pepper. So naghantay kami ngayon, guys, sa aming breakfast. Ayan si Amy. Ang order niya, ganon din. Kung anong ino-order ko, ganon din ang kanya. Tanggalin mo nga yung ano mo para makita ka. Magmasad ka. So that's her breakfast. And of course, that's Adrian's breakfast. So this is special breakfast nila ay bacon and hash brown. So ito yung breakfast ko, guys. Ayan, guys. So yan na ang breakfast nila sa ganong tao. Yan.
breakfast ko. And of course, ang aming papa and my drinks. He have only coffee, black coffee. So guys, kain-kain muna kami. Nahirapan ang kapatid kong mag-ubos sa kanyang pagkain. Hirap na hirap pa siyang kumagat. Bakit kaya? Ba't mahirapan kang kumagat dyan?
Ulit, tinawan mo pala ako ng picture.
Oh, hindi mo ba alam?
Hindi. Sobrang laki ng hamburger. Hinati ko pa to para lang makagat ko.
Ba't nahirapan kang kumagat?
4 na lang ang ipin ko, guys. Kaya hirap.
Kaya hiyawa?
Hirap.
Sige guys, tapusin ko muna itong aking pagkain. So, ganito lang ang tao ng Mori. Yan si Amy, nagiginaw. At tingnan mo guys, yung hangin. Ang hangin kasi guys, ang malamig. And guys. So guys, dito ka po ngayon naglalakad sa Mori, New South Wales. Ito yung Mori real estate nila guys. So diba? Yan guys, Mori real estate. Yan Yan. Maghahanap siya ng property dyan. Service New South Wales. So guys, dito sa Mori country town ng New South Wales is very relaxing and very nice, very quiet. Tingnan mo guys, ito, tingnan mo nyo ang puno ng, ito yung trees ng grapes, see guys, and tingnan nyo guys, doon nila pinapaano, tingnan nyo guys, yan, doon sa si Amy tumitingin din, si ang vines nila guys, ang ganda, ang vines nila, yan guys, ayan si Amy, nagtataka siya. Naaamis ka ba?
Ang ganda pala ng puno
Ng grapes.
ng grapes. Tingnan nyo guys.
Di ba guys?
Ang ganda.
Yan Wala palang bunga ngayon. Wala. So ngayon guys, picture kami sa trees. Under the trees, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng trees na to. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda namin. So guys, tapos na kami sa Mori. Ngayon, pupunta na naman kami sa ibang lugar. Sa Walgett. So, flex lang guys. So guys, tingnan nyo ang cattle station dito sa outback ng Australia. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang dami. Ito yung cattle station dito sa Australia. Diba? Kasi nandito na kami guys sa outback. Grabe, ang dami na guys. Tapos nandoon naman sa guys, sa kabila naman ay mga emu. Nakita nyo guys? Yung emu, yan yan guys. So nandito kami sa Nowhere. Yeah, I said it. Look.
not scared of the plane? Oh my goodness, they're running away. They're running away with the planes. Look at that. Hala, hala, hala. Hala, they're running.
Natakot pala sila sa
Sa, yeah. So guys, nandito kami sa outback ng Australia. Tingnan mo guys. Parang parang Katunggan. Oh. So tingnan nyo guys, parang desierto. Oh guys, oh. Parang desierto dito sa Australia to guys. Ito ang outback ng Australia. So, we still have the powers, the powers guys goes to their house, yeah. And that's the cotton. Yeah, that's
See all
the.
the black pipes?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They dip them in the water and they throw them over and it runs down. See? Right there.
Yeah. I seen it. Over here. Hips. So, can you see guys, all the cotton's plantation is very wide. Grabe, nakakaamis talaga. Tapos na guys. And the other side is the same. And so guys, ayan na kami guys, oh. Oh, what happened here?
Tuffin is getting his lunch out.
Ah. So, ito na kami guys. Parating na kami sa aming paroroonan. Wiglets, yan. So guys, ito na ang Walgett. This is a very small town of Walgett guys. Oh, yan na guys. Oh. Ito lang. So guys, oh, kung gaano ka lang kaliit dito si Walgett. Wow. Ayan guys, oh. Ganon lang guys. So, part pa rin to ng Australia guys, tong Walgett, data sa outback na to. So wala naman talagang, so yan guys, so Kamilaroy, yung mga pangalan na yan guys ay pangalan ng mga tao dito sa Australia, mga Aboriginal people. Yan ang pinaka first people in Australia. So guys, oh, yan, Walgett Hotel. Sa local land na yan guys. Yang black, red, yellow sa gitna, yan ang flag ng mga Aboriginal. And then the other one, blue, tsaka maraming star, tapos pula, yan ang flag ng Australia. Ang yellow, hindi ko alam. So, yan guys. Yan. Nag-road trip lang kami. Tinitingnan namin ang countryside dito ng Australia. Nandito na kami sa outback. Pero may pinaka-outback pa rin dito. So, ito guys. Picture kami dyan. Kasi nag-stop over kami. Kasi, ang puwit namin sumasakit na. Kaya nag-stop over at toilet. Yan guys, oh. Tapos may National Bank doon. Ganon lang kaliit ang Waglit na town. Pero napakatahimik guys. So, drive na naman kami guys sa another town.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card never change, play the game that we say.
Mga tao dito, magkakakilala-kilala pa rin
I'm
sila.
staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Pabalik na kami.
I wanna be someone, I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to
Ang ganda ng araw guys. Yan guys, ang ship ng Australia. Ang dami. Oh, hanggang doon. Okay guys. Oh, dami. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito yung wild goats. Yan. Ang wild goats. Oh, look at this one. Hala, hala. Uy, look at that one. Oh my goodness.
Tapang nung isa, hindi tumakbo.
Look, hala, hala. There.
Ang tapang mo.
Hala.
Parang may siyang
They're running away. They're running away. Don't worry. Wow. 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 So guys, ano na kami, pabalik na kami ngayon sa Gundawindi. Tapos na ang aming road trip sa kahit saan-saan doon sa Outback. Ngayon, babalik na naman. So guys, itong truck na to na sinundan namin, ito yung nagpipick up sa mga cotton. Brand new machine from the port. Back to Gundawindi, guys. McIntyre River. So that's the McIntyre River, guys.
Now we
Go back to Queensland. There. Gundawindi, welcome back. So we're here now. And Gundawindi again. Gundawindi region. And of course, welcome to Queensland. Ang layo ng dinadrive namin, guys, all day. Wala kaming ginawa kundi mag-drive. Pero ang pinapasyal namin ay natutulog. Nakakabuisit. Diba? Here we are, guys. We come back now for our little motel. Okay? We don't have any parking. So guys, sa aming paglalakbay, awa ng Diyos, nakarating kaming safe at pagod na pagod ang aming kasama nga nagmamaneho. Napapagod rin. At guess what, guys, ang aming kain isang beses lang. Wala kaming tanghalian, drive lang kami ng drive sa Outback. Tapos ang aming pinapasyal, guys, ay natutulog lang. Nakakaburat, tatanungin ko. Instead na siyang pinasyal, tulog ng tulog. Ay, nako. Sige guys, interviewin natin. Ito ang pinasyal namin na si Tulunggis. Bakit ka tulog ng tulog instead na manonood ka kung anong Outback ng Australia?
Ikaw ba naman sabihin, tawagin Tulunggis, hindi tulog. Inantok sa sa lamig. Kaya ayun, naidlip lang naman, di naman natulog.
But if the bed's the size of Australia,
Yeah.
she's seen that much of it.
So, anong nakikita mo?
Yun, marami.
Paano ka nakakita natutulog ka?
Hala, ano yan? Buong maghapon natutulog ako. Grabe siya, oh.
200 kilometres between towns.
Wala pa namang isang oras ang idlip ko.
Oh. So, anong nakita mo?
Nakita ko ng baboy ramo. Nakita ko ng taniman ng mga bulak. At saka daming baka. Tsaka kambing. Basta marami pang iba. Kaya napagod ang mata ko, dahil katitingin kaya naidlip. Papagod din pala ang mata.
Ngayon kung napatunayan, ang mata pala napapagod din. Pagka marami kang natatanaw. Kung marami kang, marami ka bang tinitingnan. Tapos ang lawak-lawak talaga ng taniman na parang disyerto siya pero mga tanim pala bulak. Tapos yung ano pa yung isa, ano ba yun? Ano pa ba yung isa? Yung parang mais.
Wait. Wait, saka maisan.
Maisan ang dami, basta.
Saka mga kakahuyan.
Madami.
Tapos may wild pigs, may wild goat.
Baboy mo ngayon. Wild pig.
Tapos, pero mamaya kausap natutulog si Tulunggis.
Ayun, sabi niya, tol. Ayun, tulog na si Tulunggis. Kay tol ng tol. Tulog ka na, Tulunggis.
Ay, nako, nakakapagod. So guys, dito na kami. Yan ang bed niya dyan. Yan ang bed niya.
Ay, sakit sa kuan, masakit ang balakang. Ano ba yan?
At least marami ka ng experience.
Oo, nawala sa
Nag-enjoy ka na ba? Nag-enjoy ka naman?
Oo naman,
Kahit
syempre.
tulog ka ng tulog.
Sobra.
So
Kaya nga
bukas,
napagod yung mata ko eh.
bukas, ano na naman?
Yun ang
Sana
hindi ko,
naman tayo.
Yan ang hindi ko alam kung anong plano nyo, saan nyo na naman ako dadalhin. Kasi tinuturo nga nyo ako, di ba? Kaso nga lang,
Malene
sa
tayo
Malini
bukas.
naman. Kaya nga,
Pero bago tayo pupunta ng Malene, punta muna tayo ng Olives. Dapat kanina nag-hot spring tayo. Maginaw. Pag, naginawan ako. So guys, hanggang dito na lang muna ang interview
Ang
ko
FBI.
ni Tulunggis. May excuses na naman siyang nakukuha. Wala siyang katapusan excuses. Kaya guys, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe kay
Pillow Dancing Mama, share, like and share and subscribe. Babu, si Tulunggis ini.